Y'all ever fall in love with a handbag or silhouette that's no longer available on the retail market? Find it on Poshmark or another resale site, purchase it, get excited about its arrival only for the seller to cancel the order on you? Well, that happened to me last week and I was very disappointed, but I was able to track down a suitable replacement. So if you want to hear what happened and what I ended up with, just keep watching. Hey sis, my name is Dre and welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. Over here we talk about luxury and contemporary handbags and accessories, lifestyle, and just staying fly on a budget. So if those are things that you're interested in, you should go ahead and subscribe. But anyway, I wanted to talk to you today about something that happened to me. So y'all know I purchased the Brenna in the DB75 print and I unboxed that for you guys. Well, after the unboxing that, I started doing some research on the Brennas and the Barlows, and I really like the silhouette. But y'all know me by now, and y'all know I really don't like big bags. I discovered, though, that they actually made miniature version of the Barlow. And so I immediately fell in love, but I was disappointed to find out that they're not available on the Dooney website. I think right now there's only one mini Barlow available by Dooney, and it is the Wexford leather, and it's like in a wine color, so I'm not interested in that color. However, I was on Poshmark and I found a mini Barlow, brand new with tags, in the Florentine leather, in the color denim, guys, for $200. Now, I don't think y'all understand how major that was for me. So let me just take y'all back. About 3 years ago, I purchased the Florentine satchel in denim. At the time, it was called the small satchel. I think now it's just called the Florentine. So it was the regular size, the one that's like 13 inches wide or whatever. So I purchased that satchel, and because I loved the color denim and the Florentine leather. But that satchel sat here on the shelf for months because it was too big. And I just realized that I wasn't going to carry it. But in the process of ordering the satchel, I had also ordered a piece to go with it. And I've held on to it. I was cleaning up and forgot I had it. But I had actually ordered, I believe this is the Continental Clutch in the denim color. So I've had this for, is this what this is? I've had this for years, like at least 3 years, at least. Because I sold the handbag in 2020. Yeah, I sold the handbag 3 years ago. So yeah, I've had this about 3 years now. Well, anyway, I've had this long denim piece, the only denim Florentine piece that I have. So I didn't sell it. So when I found that mini Barlow in the Florentine in the color denim, I was so excited, guys. So initially, you know, you still try to get the best deal. And even though I thought $200 was a great deal, I offered $180 just to see if she would take it. And she didn't respond at all to the offer. Like, she let the offer expire. She didn't respond, reject, or anything. So I said, okay, I mean, it's $20. I'm willing to pay $200 for it. So I went on ahead and just purchased it and paid the $200. So she responded immediately, like maybe within 5 or 6 hours, and sent me this message saying thank you for the purchase, letting me know that she had a lot of other Dooney and Bourke items that she had not yet listed, and that she would offer deals, you know, if I was interested in doing, you know, bundling any items. And I had already gone on her page and saw, well, in her closet, and saw like some of her other items, read her reviews. So she looked like a reputable seller. So I just said, oh, in the email, the message also said that she would not be able to ship immediately, and asked me if that would be an issue. So I just responded and just asked her, you know, how long until you're able to ship? But she never responded. Like, it was maybe a day or two, and I got no response. Then all of a sudden, I get this thing, a notification saying that my order was canceled. So I go into the app and I see that she sent the message, and she's basically apologizing, saying that she won't be able to ship it out, until later on the week. So she just canceled the order and just wanted to apologize for any inconvenience. You never answered my question. Like, I could have waited. If you actually had the item and fully intended on shipping it, if you were needing an extra few days to ship, I could have worked with her on that. But she never told me how long. So I just figured maybe she sold the bag on another site or something and it's just no longer available. So that was really, really disappointing because, again, the mini Barlow is not something that Dooney and Bourke is offering right now, especially not in the Florentine leather and in the color denim. Like, I should have known it was just too good to be true, and it was. But with that being said, it got me like really fired up about finding a mini Barlow. And so I just kept looking and Googling. There's another one that I may end up getting, but I want to wait and see how good a carry this is before I get too carried away with the silhouette, because I think it's adorable and it's the perfect size for me. But I just want to make sure that I will carry it before I start ordering a whole bunch of these. But I went on ahead and I found one on eBay for $89, and it was in the color pale pink in the pebbled leather. So now it did not come with the dust bag, but I have plenty of extra Dooney and Bourke dust bags for some reason. I don't know how that happened, but I do. So that didn't matter to me. Now, she did describe it as new with tags, but I don't consider this new with tags. The tag is still attached. Like you can see here, the tag is still attached, right? But, I mean, anybody could attach this on here. There was no plastic, no stuffing, nothing else on this bag that would indicate that it was new and had never been worn. So, I don't really think that this bag was new with tags. It doesn't look like it's been worn. But it definitely doesn't look new with tags. Do I care? No, because I paid $89 for it. So I think whether it was new or used, $89 is a good deal for this bag. So this is the mini Barlow in the pebbled leather in the color pale pink. And it's just like the Brenna that I unboxed in terms of the makeup or the layout of the bag. It's just smaller. So it has this front pocket here, just like the Brenna. And it even has the back pocket, the little card pocket in the back wall of that front pocket, just like the larger one does. The back pocket is just like the back pocket on the larger bag. It's just the open space with no extra card slot. Now the inside is a little different. So on these minis, let me get this stuff out of here. So on the minis, there's a zip and no slip on the back wall. And then on the front wall, there's just one huge slip. And it still has the key keeper. The registration card did come with a bag. And she has 4 feet on the bottom. Well, 5. Why do I keep saying 4 when I'm looking right at it? She has 5 feet on the bottom. And then she's got the leather trim. I don't know what they call it, if this is the Sierra or Cognac, but this is darker. It's not the butterscotch color leather trim that's on some of my other Dooney and Bourke handbags. It's definitely darker in color, but I just thought this was really, really cute. The silhouette is darling, and of course, y'all know I love pink, so to be able to find this in pink on eBay for $88, especially after being disappointed by the seller on Poshmark, I thought that this was a really great deal, and it made me feel better about missing out on the Florentine piece. So I just wanted to show you guys this and just let you know that I am in love with this silhouette and so upset and angry with myself that I missed out when Dooney and Bourke was offering this silhouette in a variety of different leathers and colors. But I know that they often bring things back, so we just gonna watch and wait and see what happens. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and hit the like button, share with somebody that you know would like it. And if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And until we see each other again, take care. Bye. One quick thing I forgot to mention is the strap. I don't want to assume that you guys know that the strap is a 3-piece strap, just like the Brenna. So you can take out the centerpiece and make it a long or short shoulder if you want, or you can carry it as a crossbody. So it did come with the strap. I don't think I showed you guys that. I took it out of the bag as soon as I revealed it. And the strap is the same color as the rest of the trim on the bag. So I probably won't use a strap on a bag this small. This is something that is perfect for a handheld carry. Like, this is the perfect bag for all day running errands. Like, I could carry this handheld running errands in the mall or whatever and be comfortable for hours. You know, so whereas the strap will definitely come in handy. I don't think I will need it on a bag this size, because I would just carry this like how I would carry my Speedy. So just wanted to show you guys the strap. I'm out.